100 plus car achievers. 16 house and lot achievers. In fact, meron pa tayong kidney achiever. Right? And from 20 plus na attendees sa ating first grand reunion, now, to be exact, based on my genealogy, kung titingnan nyo yung genealogy ko, the exact number of onliners that we have right now is around 333,498. Palakpak naman yan. Alright? Narating natin to, na-achieve natin itong mga bagay na to, not because mas magaling tayo kaysa sa kanila. No. Narating natin to, why? Kasi every time may mga challenges. Sa bawat pagkakataong tayo'y nadapa, mas pinili natin gumagon.